Hey friends, hope you're doing well. In this video, we discover the future of call centers and customer support, created by Elevenlabs. In this video, we create a conversational AI agent who supports me in finding the right mobile contract for myself. And I'm going to show you what we need to do in order to configure it. It's quite simple, nothing to code here, and then I'm going to show you what it actually can do. So let's first get started. I'm here already on the platform, Elevenlabs, and what you can do is go to conversational AI, to their beta here, and then create your AI agent. Now in my case, I created already two of them, and one is Joe. This is the one you're gonna hear just in a minute. And all we need to do is just specify what Joe is actually doing or capable of. And then we specify in here all different kinds of settings, meaning for the agent itself, we can specify here the language. There are various languages available. In this case, I've chosen English, but you can see there's also a Chinese or German and other kinds of languages also available. And then you can specify a first message. So what is actually the message the customer support AI bot in this case should actually come up with, right? In this case, hi, I'm Joe. How can I help you today? That's it. But of course, if you have something specific for your own company, for instance, you can, of course, modify that. Then you can give it a system prompt, and this is important, right? Because here we tell Joe, in an essence, what he or she is actually doing and why a customer might call him. Now, in this case, I say, you are a support agent named Joe, and your job is to support customers in choosing the right mobile contract. You're working for a company selling mobile contracts, that's okay, and you're very friendly and enthusiastic and really want to help the customer get the help they need, because that's what I would expect, of course, from a customer support agent. And then, of course, also answer in 3 to 7 sentences in most cases. So you can really be specific here what exactly how you want him to behave, right? So what is his role, what is his goal, and also, of course, how should he answer questions. And then you can specify the large language model. In this case, I'm using the Gemini 1.5 Flash, which was the default one because this is the fastest, but there are other ones out there as well. So you can also choose, for instance, GPT options, or of course also Claude is also available. And then you can specify the temperature. You probably know that the lower the temperature, the more expected the result is. Of course, the higher temperature, then the more latitude you give the LLM, of course. And then finally, you need to add the knowledge base. Now for knowledge base, this of course is important because here we need to specify what the model has actually access to. So the information, of course, the model can retrieve in order then to answer the question. Meaning, for instance, in my case, I uploaded a PDF file, which is this mobile contract, this one here. And as you can see here, there are various plans, right? So there's a plan name of the mobile contract, and then there's the target group, there's the contract duration, so how long, and then also the monthly costs, and also what kind of device is included, just in case I want to order a device. You will hear me because I want to order iPhone 16 as an example here. And then there are also additional benefits. For instance, if you order the phone, you also get Amazon Prime, or you also got Netflix, any other kind of benefit, right? And this is also specified in here. So this is actually the data, as you can see here. This is what, in this case, Joe has access to. So whenever the customer now is questioning or asking him, so I need a mobile contract and I want to have this, this, and this, and can you give this to me? And then, of course, Joe can look up this document and see whether his company, in this case, our company, is then providing the specific user requirements or not, right? And so that's basically the data I give him, and that's actually all I need to do. And then I can actually get started. If I just call Joe then and use it in the playground, I can try out, you can see here, test the agent, and figure out in a real conversation of how the bot, in this case, how Joe would respond to my queries. So then you'll see this right now.
Hi, I'm Joe. How can I help you today?
I'm looking for a new mobile phone contract.
That's great. I'm happy to help you find the perfect mobile phone contract. To get started, could you tell me a little bit about your needs? What kind of phone are you looking for? And what's your
I want
budget
to have
like?
an iPhone 16, and I also want to have Netflix.
That's a great choice. The iPhone 16 is a fantastic phone. There are a couple of plans that include Netflix, and both have the iPhone 16. To help me narrow it
Oh
down,
wait,
would you mind telling me about
instead
your
of
budget?
Netflix, can you give me something else? Amazon Prime? Is that possible?
Of course. We have a few plans that come with Amazon Prime. To help me find the perfect plan for you, could you tell me what kind of data volume you need? Do you use a lot of data for streaming, or are you a light user?
Or I'm a heavy user. I need a lot of volume.
Okay, great. We have a couple of options for you. The Premium Max plan comes with a whopping 50 GB of data and includes a refurbished iPhone 16 Pro Max. It also has a repair service and a device exchange
It
after
sounds
12
good.
months.
How much does it cost?
The Premium Max plan costs €80 per month. It's a great plan for heavy users who want the best features and a top-of-the-line phone. Would you like to know more about it, or are you interested in other options with a slightly lower price?
No, that sounds perfect.
Fantastic. I'm so glad we could find a plan that fits your needs. Do
Thanks
you
for
have
the
any other
support.
questions? You're very welcome. I'm happy to have helped you find the perfect plan. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. Have a great day.